friends, welcome to Crystalcrafts. This is a huge haul video which includes products like VR memory keepers, 123 punch board, also new stamp set, Press My Craft, paper trimmer, punches, sequins, and a lot more. So here the first product I would like to show you is this VR memory keepers 123 punch board. So I really liked it, and it makes envelopes, bows and boxes, which I really like. It's very easy to use, and there are markings on the top in inches, and there is a sticker in it with centimeters as well, and it comes with a booklet which includes all kinds of projects which can be made with this board. So it comes with a step-by-step guide on how to make envelope, bows and boxes. So in the center it has 3 punches. One is for corner rounder, another is for making paper notches, and the third is to make bows and envelopes. And it also comes with a scoring tool, which is very handy. This is the instruction manual which I was talking to you about. It contains all kinds of projects which can be made with this board. So there are a variety of projects, and I'm really excited to try them all. And I'll be sharing a review on this product and a project in my future videos. So the next product is this Press My Craft paper trimmer. I found this very useful, and it is a 12 by 17 inch paper trimmer. It comes with a scoring and cutting blade, and it also came with 2 extra blades. So I've tried cutting a small piece, and it cuts really smoothly. And it also comes with a scoring blade, so it's easy to score, and you can see the score line here. So next I bought this also new stamp set. This is a layering stamp set. This is a tulip layering stamp set. It's a birthday stamp set which includes the birthday sentiments as well, and the instructions on the back is given on how to layer the flower, leaves and the stem. So next I bought this punch from Press My Craft. It's a lace border punch. I really like the lace, and it looked really pretty. So here's a closer look at the lace border. You can use this in card making. You can also use this in scrapbooking and wherever suitable. So next up I bought some dies. So this is from Dress My Craft. It's a happy birthday die set which includes the happy birthday sentiment and the cake and the balloon dies as well. I also bought this red sequins which I really like. And this is the pink one as well. This was a gift with the punch. It's really pretty. Next up I bought this Ohuhu alcohol markers which are really good, and they come with a dual dip. One is a brush dip and the other is a chisel dip. It comes with 48 colors. So here you can see the brush dip. It's very pigmented. This is the chisel dip. Next I bought this double-sided tape. This is 6mm tape. I also bought some distress inks. This is the distress oxide ink in the color Wand Lipstick. I also bought these mini distress pads as well. There are 4 colors in it: cracked pistachio, abandoned coral, mermaid lagoon, and fossilized amber. Next I bought this ornate flap craft angles die. This is a really beautiful die. Next I bought these Dress My Craft tweezers. It's very handy and you can pick up stickers or any small objects with it. Next up I bought this little birdie die set florals, and also this border one as well. Next up I bought this double-sided tape runner. I bought 3 of these. So one I already started using it, and I have got 2 in my stash. Next I bought this very beautiful floral washi tape set. So it includes all kinds of floral washi tape. Last but not the least, I bought this Dress My Craft whimsical hues. We have patterned paper pad. So it includes some beautiful patterns in it. This is very colorful and vibrant. I really like the aesthetics of it. It also contains a vintage style sheet as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming such videos and craft videos and DIY videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.